Home remedies for ear infection. Ear infections are caused by bacteria or viruses in the middle ear. Ear infections occur more often in children than adults. Some causes and contributing factors that lead to ear infections are wax buildup, upper respiratory infections, food allergies, environmental allergies, fetal alcohol syndrome, genetics, nutritional deficiencies and internal injuries. Some common signs that someone is suffering. 1. Salt. Heat up 1 cup of salt on a pan over low heat for a few minutes. You can also heat it in a microwave or double boiler. Place the hot salt on a cloth and seal the open end with rubber band or tie a knot. When it is bearably hot, lay down and put the cloth on the affected ear for 5 to 10. 2. Garlic. Alternatively, you can also boil 2 or 3 fresh garlic cloves in water for 5 minutes, then crush them and add some salt. 3. Basil. You can also mix a few drops of holy basil oil with an equal amount of carrier oil like coconut oil. Soak a cotton ball in the mixture and gently wipe just inside. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with an equal amount of water or alcohol. Soak a cotton ball in the solution. Put the cotton ball in your ear like a plug and leave it for about 5 minutes. Remove the cotton ball. 5. Olive oil. Warm some olive oil slightly. Put a few drops of the warm oil into the infected ear. The oil will cause the wax to soften. Remove the infected wax with cotton towel.